Hi guys! Today we're learning how to fix photo access showing as private on an iPhone. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Scroll down and tap Photos to view which apps have access to your photo library. Tap the app that's showing private access, such as WhatsApp or Instagram. If the app supports it, change the permission from limited or private access to full access. If full access isn't available, go back to Settings and open Screen Time. Open Content and Privacy Restrictions and turn the toggle off if it's preventing changes to your photo permissions. Go back to Privacy and Security greater than Photos and try selecting Full Access again. Keep in mind that some apps only support limited or private access, so full access may not be available for every app. And that's how you can fix photo access showing as private on your iPhone. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.